So the weather, it's still going to be rainy. It doesn't seem like we're going to be dodging that. But at least the temperatures aren't going to be as cold as they were last year. That really put people in danger.
Right. I mean, a lot of hypothermic people last year. And Eric, I guess the biggest concern at this point is the thunder and lightning threat.
I think so, especially early in the morning on Monday as we watch the next storm system roll in. Very busy pattern. It starts with rain tonight. And this is actually the same storm that dropped all that snow across the upper Midwest and the plains. We're on the warm side of it. In fact, temperatures have been rising over the last couple of hours and will continue into early tomorrow morning. We've had some cold starts to the day over the last couple of weeks. Tomorrow will feel very, very different. But a soaking of rainfall moving across the region tonight. That steady rain has moved into the Boston area, up toward Woburn and Burlington. Some heavy rain, Randolph as well. Steady rainfall across all of western and central Massachusetts. And we'll get a pretty good drink out of this. A little more than a ½ inch of rainfall for most spots overnight. Temperatures are in the 50s. They'll rise to near 60 by tomorrow morning. The real mild stuff is just off to our south and west. That should provide the warmest day of the year so far tomorrow. So here's a look at it hour by hour. And our steadiest rainfall should leave the Boston area between about 9 and 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. A little bit earlier off to the north and west. And then we'll get that rain away from the Cape and the islands a little after midday tomorrow. So it'll be the last spot to dry out. But as the cloud cover thins heading into the afternoon is definitely the time to get outside and soak it up as we jump into the 70s. And tomorrow evening, sun's going down. We're in the 60s to near 70. It's a little bit muggy outside. We haven't had many nights like that so far. It'll be fire up the grill territory. So looking at Boston hour by hour, busy day in the city. About 60 at 9 a.m. Still some of that rain just starting to move out. We're rising into the mid-60s by noontime and into the 70s. Brighter skies during the afternoon. Forecasting 74 there. Most sunshine, warmest temps from Boston north and west. It takes longer to get into the sun toward the Cape and the islands late in the day with the wind off the water, staying in the 50s to around 60 degrees. Now, Sunday, we also want to maximize the best part of the day. It's the morning. First half of the day is the mildest in the 60s, and it's the brightest. Then clouds will start to roll in. There's a slight chance for a late day shower, but most of the day looks dry. So first half of the day highs will be in the 60s, and then as an onshore breeze freshens up, we'll see those temperatures fall back into the 50s, heading toward the afternoon. For the Red Sox, excellent tomorrow. If you're heading out to the ballpark, Sunday, I think we're probably going to stay dry here. We'll definitely get the game in, but temperatures will fall through the 50s. And if you're heading up to the ski slopes, a lot of ski areas, maybe having the last weekend, a little bit of a party vibe, and tomorrow's the last day they'll be open at Wachusett Mountain, and how about mid-60s there? And Sunday, pretty warm as well, still into the 50s. Great opportunity. Then we head to the marathon. All right, this is the window that we're really going to focus on with this. There'll be some showers Sunday nights, but Monday between about 5 a.m. and 10 a.m. is where we expect a band of heavier rain and a chance of thunderstorms to move across the area. Now, this may move out before we actually get to the start time officially. However, everyone's moving around. We're getting the buses. There's people at the Athletes Village. And with lightning around, we definitely want to watch this very carefully as we make our way toward Monday morning. During the day, a few scattered showers popping up, and any steady rainfall will have come to an end. Now, that front we've been watching, it looks like it will lift just north of the course, which means temperatures will be mild up into the 60s. The wind out of the south-southwest early in the morning, and then it will turn more west-northwesterly as we head into the afternoon. That's a tailwind, and temperatures certainly much warmer than what we had last year in the mid to upper 60s potentially as we head into the afternoon hours. We'll dry out on Tuesday as well as Wednesday and Thursday, but Wednesday and Thursday onshore flow means a cooler midweek forecast. David and Lisa, back to you.
All right.